Hello guys. Welcome to Wow Hotel Reviews. Today I am reviewing 10 acres cabin and horses nature therapy 10 minutes to downtown. It's a non-star hotel. Please use our booking.com link in description to book the hotel and get special pricing. Some of the most popular facilities are pet friendly, free Wi-Fi and a free parking. Located in Boone in the North Carolina region, 10 acres cabin and horses nature therapy 10 minutes to downtown features a balcony and garden views. The property is 29 miles from Elizabethton, and guests benefit from complimentary Wi-Fi and private parking available on site. This vacation home features 3 bedrooms, a flat-screen TV, and a kitchen with a minibar. Blowing Rock is 8 miles from the vacation home, while Banner Elk is 11 miles away. The nearest airport is Tri-Cities Regional Airport, 42 miles from 10 acres cabin and horses nature therapy, 10 minutes to downtown. Use our link in description to get special discount on this hotel. Don't forget to like and subscribe to our channel.